May panibagong aabangan sa UAAP Season 88. Yan ay ang golf. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Good news para sa golf community ang announcement ng UAAP na ipapasok ang golf bilang demo sport ngayong Season 88.
And speaking of a new sport, boys baseball is returning for after a 6-year hiatus, and we have a new event in golf, which will have a separate press conference. So I don't want to preempt the event. It will have its own launch event and the tournament proper.
Approve ang ilang UAAP students dyan.
There aren't many organized competitions for student golfers nowadays. And having it on UAAP stage gives golf more visibility and opens more doors talaga for student athletes.
Ngayon kasi, sumasali na ang mga collegiate golfers sa iba't ibang intercollegiate at commercial tournaments. Validation kung maituturing ang pagdagdag ng sport nila sa UAAP.
As an avid junior golfer and now the captain of the team, this is something we've been waiting for. Even as a demo sport, felt like we had validation for our work and persistence.
Para sa kanila, hindi lang physical sport ang golf.
It's kind of a slow game, but it really teaches honesty, humility, grit.
It's a big mental game, and a big part of it is meeting people. I hope the implementation shows that golf is ready as to be a permanent fixture in UAAP.
Underrated man lalo na sa collegiate scene. Pero sa pagpasok ng golf bilang demo sport, umaasa sila na mas maraming kabataan ang maenganyong subukan at suportahan ng sport nila.
I hope people have an open mind to this sport and hopefully support the golf as a sport for UAAP.
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho po hatid ang mukha ng balita.